Yes, welcome everybody to this class. Now we dey answer question for Venn diagram involving two sets. Involving two sets. Two sets, ba? Now wetin we dey do? Now, make we check this question out. See this question wey we dey. E say, for exams, 18 candidates passed Maths, 17 candidates passed Physics, 11 candidates come pass both subjects, and 1 candidate come fail both subjects. Now wow, na him carry last. 1 candidate carry last. They say for this information, make we do wetin? Find the number of candidates that pass Maths only. The number of candidates that pass Physics only, and then the total number of candidates wey sit for the exams. Abi? So we fit use Venn diagram answer this question sharp, and then we go collect some things from the Venn diagram. So if na universal set, I no know wetin exams, but I know say I get two sets wey intersect each other like this. Now, I get Maths, I get Physics, abi? So the first set na number of students wey pass Maths. The second subset na number of students wey pass Physics. But I know say e get people wey pass Maths, pass Physics too. So the number na 11, as we don see for here, abi? Now, they say 1 candidate fail these exams. He no pass Physics and he no come pass Maths, so he dey outside, abi? But we know say candidates wey pass Physics, all the candidates wey pass Physics na 17, and all the candidates wey pass Maths na 18. Now, anything wey I go write for here na anything wey concern this place like this. We concern this place like this, abi? So now, if we remember our set interpretation and representation wey we bin don do before, we know say anything wey dey here na the one wey we call intercept, abi? We call am intercept. Maths intercept Physics come give me 11, but you suppose give me set. So now, wetin I dey represent here na the cardinality. We say cardinality na the number of what? Of elements wey dey the set. So number of elements wey dey inside this intersection na 11. Now, for Maths, number of elements wey dey Maths na 18, and number of elements wey dey Physics, we go call them 17, abi? Now, na so e come be. Now, we wan find the first question wey dey say make we answer na to find the number of candidates that pass Maths only. So e dey tell us say everything wey dey here now, wey dey inside this set M na 18, but we wan find the number of people wey dey only here, only here. Now, our question 1 say make we look for candidate wey pass only Maths. That set na M intercept P prime like this. I dey look for the cardinality of that set. So the cardinality of that set like this na him I wan look for. And then to find the cardinality of this set, I go take everything wey dey inside this set, come minus am with wetin dey here, then I go get wetin dey here. So to get this set now, or the cardinality of this set, I go take the cardinality of my set M. That's everything wey dey inside the set M. I will come minus the cardinality of my set what? M intercept P. M intercept P. So if I do that one, I will get 18 minus 11, and that one will give me 18 minus 11 will give me 7 back. So I don't answer the first question. And then the next question are the same thing. So we can find the numbers. So like this will go down. So this one are 7 now. Abi? Then you say make I find the numbers where they here. Number of elements where they here. So this one will still give me the cardinality of P minus the cardinality of M intersect P. So if I do that one, I'll get 17 minus 11 back, and then that one will give me 6. So for here now, I get 6. And then the last question say, who to find the total number of candidates that sat for the exams. So question number 3. So the cardinality of my universal set, cardinality of M intersect P prime plus the cardinality of M prime intersect P plus the cardinality of M intersect P, Abi, plus the cardinality of M union P all prime. Now, we don't know why I had this one, but for a question, they say one candidate no pass the exams. So we had this one candidate no pass the exam. Now, you might follow make our total number of people within my set. So this one candidate will not pass these exams. Okay, here. And we present element where they outside these two sets as M union P or complements, because everything where they here now M union P. Now be everything where they inside the circle. So everything where they outside the circle will be M union P complements. So my universal set, or the cardinality of my universal set, will come give me 6, now 6. This one is 7 plus that one is 6 plus 11 plus. We can get my universal set as this plus this. That's 13. 13 plus this one, 14. 14 plus 11, 25. So the cardinality of my universal set is 25. So 25 people and then sit for the exams. Then 11 people pass both subjects, 7 pass only maths, 6 pass only physics, and 1 person fail the 2. So I hope say this one makes sense. We now understand this one. But thank you. Most of the next question. I hope we could try this question. Hope say you don't hit the subscribe button and click on the bell, notification bell, so that make you get every class, make you not miss and follow and class by class. If you follow this my maths class by class, by the end of the day, nobody will challenge you for maths. You know they pay for subscription, everything are free. Now free, everything are free. For your update is 2 clicks away. Subscribe button and bell notification. For this party, in a party where we get 30 small children, and they just say this party is a birthday party. She will like birthday, she will like birthday. 12, they come serve Coca-Cola drink. Why 14, they come serve them Pepsi Cola. Now, if they come serve 9 children Coca-Cola, and they don't come give them Pepsi, they say we find the number of children when they serve both drinks. So for this party, some children drink the 2, they don't send anybody. They drink the 2, they don't send you. They collect Coke, they collect Pepsi, they like the 2. Me, I like the 2. They also look to find children where they serve at least 1 wey collect one at least mean say they collect one come collect more than one. So some people collect more than, so at least one type of 3. And then the customer could find the number of children wey lost, wey carry last. Those children, I don't know, e be like say they sleep for that party. They don't even get Coca-Cola, they don't even get Pepsi. Alright, so now I go analyze am for here before I go start to dey solve. So my universal set cardinality na 30 children, abi, from there. And then they say children wey drink Coke, abi, universality, abi, cardinality of Coke, like this, they say na 12. And then cardinality of Pepsi, they say na 14. And then they say cardinality of Coke intersect Pepsi prime. People wey dey serve only Coke, but they no give them Pepsi, they tell us say na 9, abi. So for my universal set, or for my Venn diagram, I go represent am like this. My universal set na 30 children. And then this one na my Coca-Cola, this one na my Pepsi. So the people wey dey serve only Coke, but they no serve them Pepsi, na 9. And then here, we no know. Here too, we no know. And here too, we no know. The same we look for this one. So the same we look for cardinality of Coca-Cola intersect Pepsi. So, and to look for Coca-Cola intersect Pepsi, I go collect the number of everything wey dey inside this set, come minus am with this one. So comot this one inside, then I will get wetin dey here. So wetin we go do be say, we go take cardinality of Coke minus cardinality of Coke intersect Pepsi complement, abi. In that case, I will get here, I get 12, abi. Cardinality of this one na 12 minus cardinality of this one na 9. So 12 minus 9 na 3. So the people, number of people wey dey serve both Pepsi and Coke na 3 children. Be like say these 3 children dey get connection. Na APC government na im dey dey. Number 2 say, make we look for number of children wey dey serve at least 1 drink. So na everything wey dey here now, na dem be the number of children wey drink at least, or wey dey serve at least 1 drink. That's question number 2. So na the cardinality of Coca-Cola Union Pepsi. Remember for that our set representation, we say everything we cover here na C union P. So, but make we look for wetin dey here. So wetin dey here now? Wetin dey here now? Now remember this set, right? This set na the cardinality of Pepsi, Coke intersect Pepsi, but complement for Coke, abi. And then to find that one, we go take all the people wey drink Coke, we come minus am with all the people wey drink, wey dey serve the 2, all the people wey dey serve the 2 drink, abi. So this one now I go get like this. Intersect P go be this one na 14 ba minus 3, abi. So we go get 11. So now 11 people now then drink this one, abi. 11 people now then drink this one. So now we go add everything wey dey here to get the number of people wey drink at least, or wey dey serve at least 1 drink. So I get 9 plus 3 plus 11. So if we add all of this one, we will get wetin? This and this na 12 plus this one 20 wetin? 23, abi. So 23 children na dey serve at least 1 drink. So how about the number of children wey dey no serve anything at all? The number of children wey sleep for the birthday party. So that one na our last question. Those ones dey no get connection, so they come leave them behind. So we dey call them wetin? Cardinality of C union P, everything complement abi? Now to find this one, we go just collect the universal set, cardinality of the universal set, minus this one, cardinality of C union P. So we take cardinality of C union P like this. So if we do that math, this one na 30 already. If you come minus this one, it will be 23. Sorry, we get 7. So people wey no get connection for this party na 7. They no dey APC. So na 7. So we can represent our set like this. So if you add everything wey dey here, we get 30. So we don solve our question. I hope say this class makes sense. So if you get any question or any concern, or if you get any other question related to something like this, make I know. Just make your comment for the comment button, and don't forget to subscribe. I will start the call attendance for this class. So if you are not part of the subscription, you are not following the class. So thank you. Stay blessed, stay safe, stay mathematical, or stay set.